Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the dealer how to print forms within DecisionLender's front end. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. From the My Apps page, click on the application number. The application will open to the Decision Summary page. Click on the Print button. A list of available documents, as well as a print application option, will appear. For this example, we will choose to print the application. The application will open. Along the top of the page, you may click on the left or right arrow to view previous or next pages. Click on the plus sign to increase the size, the minus sign to decrease the size, or the Page Fit button to reset it back to the original. There is also an option to rotate the document to the left or to the right. There is a Print button at the top, but for more options, go to the bottom of the page. You may click Open to open the application in another window. Print to print the application. Save and Print to save a copy of the document in the Review Forms section. Or Cancel to close this page. How to view a saved document. From the Decision Summary page, click the Review button. Then click on the Forms button. All documents that have been previously saved will appear. Saved documents may be downloaded or deleted by clicking on the icons under the Action column. Letters may be created from this page by selecting the letter from the Select Template drop-down list. Click on Create Letter. The letter will display and may be saved and/or printed. The saved letters will remain in the Forms tab unless they are deleted by the user. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, please contact your lender. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.